please like and subscribe. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Natural lake and tree branches are much better than springboard and swimming pool. The fence could never stop them from helping each other. A beautiful love. Someone should teach this energetic little one that balloons aren't food. Today, Monkey learned that getting food is never easy. To get food, nothing can be an impossible challenge for Monkey. When doctors said walking backwards is good for health, and an enjoyable weekend experience with dear friends. When your boss tells you a boring joke, Monkey doesn't need a safety net to perfectly handle this. Monkey, this body needs to be checked at least twice a day. Turns out that even a monkey will fall at first sight for a handsome man.
Was this a cousin?
Who needs to go to the dentist when you already have one at home?
Weird shit, bro. Why you just...
Grab your popcorn to watch this action movie in real life. Slow down, young man. No one's gonna steal it from you. That's not a nice way to befriend with dog, Monkey. This monkey knows the best way to enjoy life. We should learn that from him. If there were Olympics for animals, Monkey would win gold in the rock climbing.